What's up, hun? Cameron J here, back with another video. What's popping? Today's video will be my wash day routine, and I actually need to go and get some bentonite clay because that is what I wash my hair with. After that, I will show you guys how I deep condition and style my hair. So if you want to see any of that, I'll be back. I got my most favorite hoodie on in the world. Straight flexing. I got Peppy Chulo in the car with me. Show him how beautiful you are, Peppy Chulo. Aww. Little poodle you. Did I bring my money? Shit.
The NBA with 5 great matchups all Christmas Day.
So how many of you guys jumped on the rice water bandwagon? I definitely did. That's what was popping at the moment. Bitches was claiming to be growing inches. I want inches. Damn near lost all my hair, sis. Did I bring my money? Definitely got protein overload. My ends was getting brittle and thin. I had already cut off 3 inches. If it didn't come together now, I'm gonna have to cut off the rest of this because I don't have time. Where am I at? Where am I at? I don't know if you guys have heard about the Olaplex treatment system, whatever it's called. I tried that, and when I tell you guys, this stuff is heaven in a goddamn bottle. My hair went from feeling like to ooh. It's not there yet, but it is getting there. Today, like in my deep condition routine, there's actually an extra step to it. Normally I just mix, where am I at? So yeah, normally I just mix my favorite conditioner with some honey and some olive oil. Every now and then I may add some extra ingredients, egg or whatever the case may be. But I've actually been mixing in this Olaplex deep conditioning treatment, one of the steps, but I mix it in with my conditioner. Okay, Peppy sees a white man. That's what I've been doing for the last 3 weeks. All right, old school. Where the rap music at? Shit.
Cozy little Christmas here with you.
Oh, that's cute, bitch. You in love, ain't you? Where is the trap music? You do, I do, I. Is it easy? Oh, don't hit me. I just came from inside the beauty supply store. Okay. And now, let's head home. So guys, it is now time to part this bad boy, detangle. My most favorite part.
I'm tired of this shit!
I get my trusty dusty tangle teaser, a cheap conditioner, which I get this from the dollar store. It is called Salon Selectives. Our Mister. Fill that up with hot water. I'm gonna part my hair into 4 sections. We're gonna get started. I'm pretty. So far, this is what we got. Guys, I'll be back. Okay, hair is detangled, sectioned off, twisted into 4 sections. Each of those sections broken down into like 2 or 3 little sections. This is all of the shed hair. When I deep condition, I'm sure there will be more. Yay for that. Now we are going to go make the bentonite clay. What's up, noodle? We're making a little nanner pudding. Now, I'm doing a hair vlog with the camera.
Oh, that's the new one?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Can't be out here being a drunk. You're gonna take your bentonite clay. I use 1.5 cups. Next, a little bit over 1 cup of organic apple cider vinegar with the mother in it. Yeah. Extra virgin olive oil. Gotta be a virgin. No sluts out here. A tablespoon of olive oil. If y'all don't know about neem oil, really good for hair growth, nourishes that good old scalp. I'll do a tablespoon of this. Golly. A tablespoon Okay, couple drops. We're gonna do your bentonite clay, right?
Hi, yes.
Mom be bullshitting. Once you've got all your good old ingredients, you let it sit for about 15 minutes. Right before I'm about to put it in my hair, rinse out all of this conditioner. Oh, it looked like somebody was in there. Looking pretty good. Mix it with either a plastic spoon or a wooden spoon. Need to sit a little more to get the rest of those lumps out. Screw that, we gotta get this hair done. Okay.
Thought our own show called How I Got Your Moon.
I am good on that one. You know, I like it to be a little on the watery side. Makes it way easier to rinse out. Get some of that good old clay. I try and pay close attention to the scalp because that's essentially what I'm trying to clean. Once I make sure it's saturated at the scalp, I saturate the hair with it. So I am pretty much done. Now I'm just going to re-wet my hair, make sure the clay doesn't dry out on me. Just gonna show you guys what it looks like from the back. Twist, twist, twist. Throw on a shower cap. Yahtzee, Yahtzee. This is gonna sit on my hair for like 20 to 30 minutes. It's been about 40 minutes, a little bit longer than I planned, but gonna rinse out the clay and then deep condition. I mean, I am tired as hell. This is my favorite conditioner right here, Jessie Curls. Dump out a good amount of this conditioner. We're coming to the end of this bottle. Next, extra virgin olive oil. Just eyeball it. Take that honey, 1, 2. Good old neem oil, guys. Eyeball this as well. Mix it with my finger. Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka. It's time to apply it. Throw a shower cap on, hot head, and microwave it a minute on each side for 3 minutes. And get our hot head to put over this conditioner. I got my hot head on. It is piping hot, honey. I mean, it is pulping. I'm gonna deep condition for 30 to 40 minutes. Time to rinse this conditioner out. Now it is time to style and lock in a little bit of moisture. So what I do is I'll put in a little bit more of this stuff right here. Then as a sealant, what is your sealant made out of, Mom?
Shea butter, cocoa butter, olive oil, horsetail, jojoba oil,
2,000 years later.
deep conditioner in there, hair cream, ORS.
ORS? That's what you put in it? Peep the eyebrows. Okay, we are skeptical out here in these streets. And re-moisturizing mist. Did you say what's in it?
You can do fenugreek and distilled water or fenugreek and reverse osmosis water.
Okay, Mom's got her tits out like it's Africa in this bitch.
I'm trying to save them.
Take my hair out of the twist. I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of the fenugreek. Take some of my conditioner, massage that in. Some of the souffle. Close attention to those ends. This is how I do like my curly afro. I like to make sure my ends are smooth.
Ooh, Pepe, you are in my personal space. Yo, back up off me. Hey, I ain't playing with you. You monkey.
One time for the big girls.
Hey.
Yeah. One time for the big girls. Now, whoa. One time for the big girls. Now, whoa.
I got time for your bullshit.
So if y'all can't tell what I'm doing, I'm spraying my hair with the mixture in the bottle. Then I'm putting a little bit of conditioner on as a leave-in, and then I'm sealing it with the sealant that she made.
down my towel. Can't be having a wet back neck.
Oh, what?
Wet back
One time for the big girls. Now bang, bang, bang. Rotate for me. Rotate for me. Rotate now, yeah.
Well, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Alright guys, it is 1:30 in the morning. I actually finished around like 1 or somewhere around there. But anyway, all the rollers are in. Arms are on swole. And I'm just going to throw a bonnet on. And we're going to let this puppy air dry. I will show you guys in the morning how it turned out and how I style it. But for now, honey, good night. What's up guys? I'm back. It is the next day. And now it is finally time to take out all of these marvelous rollers. Next, I'm gonna take my special oil blend, hit those edges. If you guys wanna know what this oil blend is, just leave that in the comments. And I still have some residual oil on my hands. So, that's gonna be perfect for separating my curls. So I really don't have like any particular way that I like to do it. I really just go through and get all the chunky curls out. But I do start at the bottom of the hair. Can y'all see how the curls is popping right now? So much life, sis. Yes. Give me all the definition. I am here for it. So this is the finished look. This is how I will go throughout the week, and I'll just tie it up at night like I said. This is how I'm gonna head out, guys. This is the finished look. If you learned from this video, or if you found a hairstyle that you like and might want to try out, you know, leave that down in the comments. If there's something you want to know more about, such as like how I incorporate the Olaplex system into my conditioner, how I do the Olaplex treatment, how I make my oils, all that good stuff, leave it in the comments, you know. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, you know. And I'm out this bitch.